Trust is the foundation of love, the bond that keeps two hearts intertwined. But when that trust is broken, the pain can be unbearable.
Habang nag-gift yung binigay ko.
Oo, gusto ko. Tsaka pinakita ko kay nanay tsaka tatay. Nagustuhan din nila. Thank you nga pala.
Being betrayed by the one you love leaves scars that run deep, a wound that leads sorrow and despair.
So, ayan guys, tapos na yung klase natin today. Huwag niyo kalimutan gawin yung mga assignments niyo. And class dismissed.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma.
Wait, ba't sa ako?
Sige, sige. Okay lang, dito muna kami gagawin.
Tayo na lang sa baba.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Beatrice, kumusta?
Okay lang.
Di ba ang bayas sa'yo na pinapagawa ng lahat?
Oo, hirap na ako.
Sana tinawagan mo ako para natulungan kita.
Busy ka kayo.
Lalo. Baba ba? So, tara, sabihin na tayo. Akin mo.
Uy, babe!
Uy, saan ka pa pala?
Iniintay kita eh.
Ay.
Uy, wala na.
Sige, sige.
Bakit magkasabay kayo?
Kanina ka ba nandyan? Kumain ka na ba?
Hindi, bakit nga magkasabay kayo?
Di, wala lang yun, na ba?
Ano ba yan?
Tara na!
It shatters your sense of self, your belief in love, and your hope for the future.
I watched the sun come up today. I wish that you'd been there to see it. But you were
The betrayal echoes in your mind, a constant reminder of the love you lost and the trust that was broken.
But you're all I need, honestly. I just wanted you to know that I'll never let you go. So
So today guys, ang pag-usapan natin ay about sa depression. So, may I call on Mr. Arceo? Mr. Arceo? Hello? Mr. Arceo? Gusto ko i-isip ko sa akin kung ano yung mga hallmark ng depression.
Ano nga, hindi mo ko alam eh.
Ay nako, sa susunod na, makinig ka, hindi mo parang napapanong dito sa klase ko, okay? So, ayun, yung depression ay... Uy sis, okay ka pa? Napapansin ko, ang laki na ng eye bags mo, tapos hindi ko namamayat ka. Tapos ang dami mong nabis na activities as in.
Ano yun?
Mga activities natin, especially sa ano, sa future subject.
Yun, hindi ko alam eh.
Kunwari eto, side, hindi mo pa nagawa tong ano, yung sa reflection, gano'n.
Ano ba yan? Dahil pinapagawa niyo.
Okay ka lang? Uy, Pao! 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 Oh, yung parang muna ka
You wear a mask, pretending to be fine, while inside you're breaking.
Every day feels like a race against time. The weight of expectations presses down, making it hard to breathe, hard to move.
Okay, class, can you give me the risk factors for glaucoma?
Sir,
Okay.
it's diabetes.
Okay. Okay, next question. What do you think?
Ay, kaya tayo sa labas.
Uy, ma'am, kakain naman tayo. Babies na.
Handa! Sumaya na tayo. Mag-aaral ka na lang, hindi ka na nag-aaral. Wala na, hindi ko sama. Sabi ko yun ah.
Kami na lang, ano na lang.
Pressure to succeed can be an invisible burden, a shadow that follows you everywhere.
Catching teardrops in
Uy, ano kaya sa'yo dyan? Nasta ka na dyan ah. Kahit na ka pa nag-aaral, okay ka lang ba? Sino ka ba?
Kasi yung girls ko nag-expect sila na I'm always on top. So, hindi ko na kasi maano sa pressure.
Kaya nga, ang taas-taas naman ng grades ko ah.
Okay, class, listen up. I have here the list of our guest listener for this semester. First, with a GWA of 1.25, you can hear him. Let's give him a round of applause, class. And next, Maui Badwa. She got 1.3. Let's give her a round of applause.
As the smoke clears, I awaken.
The pressure to excel can make every moment feel like a test, a constant reminder of the expectations placed upon you.
Watch me while I play all my
Oh yes, come in. Sit here. Kamusta ka ba? You're all worried about your grades. Masyado na bumababa. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Don't worry. It's always okay to ask for help.
Depression can be fought step by step with a little help. Don't be afraid to seek support and talk about your struggles.
feeling my way through the darkness, guided by a beating heart. I can't tell where the journey will end, but I know where to start.
Healing from the pain of bullying is a journey. It takes time, support, and the courage to reclaim your voice.
Okay, class, quiet. Here's your new classmate. Okay, introduce yourself.
My name is Andrea. I'm 5 years old.
Class, say hi to Andrea. Okay, meeting yourself.
Uy, bakit ka dyan? Tingnan ko ng pera yan. Uy! Guys! Pati nga wallet mo. Lumapit ka! Hindi ka naman ikwenta. Ubus pa tayo yan. Ikwenta naman.
Tapos pagtago natin na pag, kuhaan natin ng pera.
Being bullied can make every day feel like a battle, draining your strength and silencing your spirit.
Wish that I could stay forever.
Kwenta pa rin yung laman. Tago na rin ka natin yung wallet.
Wake me up when it's over. When I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself, and
Mga bang nasabi? Nakita ako ba?
so wake me up when it's over. When I'm
Every laugh, every whisper becomes a reminder of the hurt inflicted, a pain that echoes within.
finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost. I didn't know I was lost.
Bullying is more than just words or actions. It leaves marks that aren't always visible, wounds that cut deep into the soul.
I'll do it all, everything on our own.
Self-worth is the foundation of our identity, but when it crumbles, the world feels empty and unforgiving.
Or anyone. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world?
Depression can make you doubt your value, erasing the light within and leaving only shadows.
To say how I feel.
Depression attacks your sense of self-worth, but with support, understanding, and courage, you can rediscover your value and rebuild your life. Depression can be fought step by step with a little help. Don't be afraid to seek support and talk about your struggles.
Would you lie with me?
Depression may cloud your path, but every step forward brings you closer to the light. Believe in your strength, cherish every small victory, and remember that seeking help is a sign of courage. You are worthy, you are loved, and you are not alone.